This video guides you through moving files from an Android phone to a laptop using 3 common methods. We'll cover 3 ways to connect your devices: wired connection, wireless signal, and cloud or network sync. We will start with the wired connection. Step 1 for the wired method is to connect your Android phone to the laptop using a USB data cable. Next, unlock your phone screen so the laptop can access the device's storage. Step 3 is to swipe down from the top of your phone screen to open the notification panel. Once the notification panel is open, tap on the Charging this device via USB notification. In the options that appear, select File Transfer/Android Auto to enable data transfer. Now on your laptop, you can drag and drop files from your phone storage to the desired folder on your computer. Method 2 is wireless transfer. Start by ensuring both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for both devices. On your Android device, tap the Share icon for the file you want to transfer, and then select Quick Share. On your laptop, a notification will appear. Click the Accept button to begin receiving the files. Method 3 involves using sync apps like Link to Windows on your phone and Phone Link on your computer. To link the devices, scan the QR code displayed on your laptop screen using the Link to Windows app on your phone. Other options include cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Remember to always use a data cable, not a charge-only cable, for wired transfer. Congratulations! The file transfer is now complete.